Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, dey ask wetin we need to do to make Nigeria work. Make I leave you with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Make you for hear wetin he get to talk. Enjoy the video.
My brothers and sisters, on a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the area. Sorry, say na network with the battle with sins. That's why we dey ask the question: what we want to do to make Nigeria work? What we want to do to make Nigeria work? Imagine to come alive since we just the battle with network since nothing dey work. Una good evening. My name is Apostle Alfred. My brother dey with me, I beg.
Well, good evening, everybody. My name still remain Victor Olise.
My brother, how you dey see this matter?
Just they pay me for mine. Say coincidentally today, when we say our topic to speak on, waiting we need to do to make Nigeria work. Come be say for the past 26 or 28 minutes, with the battle just to get network, and so we take move from 4G to 3G to 2G to 8G light to easy light and the other light, and it don't really provoke me. Say you don't watch through this stage for the past 26-28 minutes. The battle to get, and so we don't drive from one location to the other just to get network. And my belly just full, Apostle. I don't feel like give you my belly just full. This is a very big question for each and every one of us. Now, what we need to do to make Nigeria work? What do we have to do? So people go say, if we say more start from government, make the president resign. So people go say, make the president still stay. Make the president may give autonomy to states. So people go say, make it sack service chief. So people go say, more restructure Nigeria. So people go say, make we regionalize Nigeria. So okay, fine. This region will serve. This region will serve. What we really need to do to make Nigeria work? This is a very big question. Why? Because as we speak, Nigeria is progressing in error. And when I say Nigeria is progressing in error, we need backpedal faster than any country when they develop or when they already develop. Every sector as we speak in Nigeria, every sector
Zero.
as we speak in Nigeria
Zero.
is nothing to write home about. Every sector, just point any sector, I will tell you the big fault when they inside. And the pain here is not be saying that because the fault day, but the willingness to make it work,
You know, every day,
is not there. The willingness to make it work
not day.
is not there. What do we have to do? What do we need to do to make Nigeria work? May all of us run come out. Let them open border and let us get out of this country. They should open border. Why are they tying us inside this country? Why did they close border? They should open the border and let everybody leave. Nothing is working. Education,
Zero.
minus 100, not zero. Minus 100 with the whole 100.
Etc.
Health, just no health. Don't go there.
Infrastructure,
Nothing. Administration, zero.
minus 100.
Minus 100. Everything. What do we have to do to make this country work? This is a very disturbing question. Why? Because 2020 don't work out the go so. Today's third. 2020 is off already, and we are approaching 2021. The 2021
Nothing.
The 2021 one with the approach. So, what is the working template
Nothing.
that the government is presenting before us as an assurance? Okay, fine. No, still give them small time to make this country work. Okay, our guy Maker, once we get leadership right, everything will be all right.
You are correct.
Because the government controls everything in the country after God. Very true. This now why we will never stop speaking on the government. What I mean now, that's where they do is small business. They won't go meet. Everything lies and falls on leadership. What do we have to do to make Nigeria work.
My brother, if you ask me, I will first say me Buhari resign. All the leaders without chief money before me they hang them. If you ask me, all the past presidents should be hanged. All the past governors should be hanged. All the past 7 ministers should be hanged. May they you hang them. All of the way corrupt case just did their neck, carry them, put them in aeroplane, bomb them. May they all go. Quick.
It's so painful. Now, if we say we have to change leadership, how do we change leadership? In a nation where majority of us are myopic, a country where we say many of us we live in ignorance,
not ready to learn.
Who
they teach, they will be fighting.
They will be fighting. A nation where people just believe say, any I come, we will take them.
Enough.
Should we stop talking? I never reached time for us to understand. Say nothing is working in this country.
Nothing is working.
What other sign again? Until when person go wake up in the morning, go see say in brother don't kill your own brother, put for pot the cook.
The chop.
And what they know say Nigeria don't.
Nothing they work. It is not well. It is not well with this country. It is not well with this country. It's not the well with this country.
Nothing is working.
This is not fake declaration. No, it's not the well with this country.
The people who are supposed to come out, the Nigerian people who are supposed to come, who are supposed to understand that this is not what we want as a people in a nation. All of us continue to live and dwell in our ignorance. You see person when we say you see platform supposed to learn, he go come there, they write rubbish, they talk rubbish, and go and ask that person, him or her. He don't know anything. And as such, you don't just say our leaders just put leg on top of us, they step on us, they go. Nothing is working.
That's why I will continue to blame former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. When he organized that camp conference, when the report come, why not implement it? Why former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan not implement that report?
Confirm.
Why not we implement her?
Do you know how much was spent in that cover?
Waste money.
Each delegate was paid 4 million every month.
Oh, waste.
They camped them for hotel. They were paying them 4 million every month. If I leave this guy to get back, now you no collect money. Now you say no. Imagine you call people to come and serve your country. You call people to come and serve. It's an opportunity. Saying I did part of those confab. They were paying them 4 million every month. For what now? They come force for their house. Now they did the confab beautiful. To pass on
the long implementer. Why former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan no implement that report before you come out?
No, it wait for Barry Kondua. Nothing is, and the problem why the country is not working is now the Nigerian people. Now we are aware that the Nigerian government not send us. Now the Nigerian people.
Just keep quiet.
Me and you are the problem of this country.
So people go say Apostle go look for work. After they told say Apostle, I'm not a jobless man. But say Apostle go look for work. My own pick people. Ignorant set of people. Ignorant set of people. They will come play for the right rubbish or Apostle to go and look for work. I am not jobless. You where they work, what you don't change for your family? Nothing.
You are very right, Morgan. So let's focus on our develop our those states with true federalism to allow every state to control their resources. If we control our natural resources in those states, you are very right, but in reality,
it doesn't work.
We are practicing true federalism just the same way the Nigerian states have been presenting themselves before the international community, but it's not true.
It's not working.
It's not true. As we speak right now, some states for Nigeria, they practice this true federalism. Yes, now we get all the facts for black and white people. Therefore, as we speak, they control their gold. And then those that has about 21 million resources. None. So we're using this medium with the call on the state government. Not be Buhari say make we don't work on 9-4.
No.
It don't stop us.
Not be Buhari.
It don't stop us. Buhari don't stop us from opening refinery. It don't stop us.
He not stop us to do interstate rail line.
He not stop us.
Wetin stop us between the southern region? We do rail line connection. They will not do it. It is nowhere with this country. More than not discipline ourselves. Enough of those religious fallacy. Now we dey pray pass. Now we dey go church pass. Enough of those religious fallacy. Oh, it is where. It is nowhere.
Everything scatter from right to left, from center to middle. Everything scatter. Nothing is working. And we all keep quiet. As we speak right now, how much a liter of fuel, sir?
170.
Imagine.
170 naira liter of fuel. Everybody, all of them keep quiet. They were telling me it is where. It is nowhere with this country.
This man came out with his manifesto and told us that in his first year in his administration, he will bring down the cost of a liter to 40 naira.
Una believe am?
We talk, go talk, come. They say now because they inherit bad governance from the former administration. Okay, fine. You don't know why they make us give us promise. Say your first year you carry fuel go back to 40 naira.
Now
we talk, come. Some people when just they die in their ignorance. Now picking nature, they will just continue to wallow in their ignorance.
No, maybe they get free money where they teach.
Not free money, not free money.
Maybe they get where they are stealing money from.
Look at them, they are very wretched. No, not free money, nothing.
It is nowhere with Nigeria. Enough.
They have chosen to be divided.
Enough. It is nowhere with Nigeria. More not deceive ourselves. Make we not deceive ourselves. It is nowhere with this country. More not deceive ourselves. More not deceive ourselves. It is nowhere with Nigeria. Forget those religious fallacy of faith. Oh, it shall be where this country. It is nowhere. Some people will say this is working. Nothing is working. Nothing is working. More not deceive ourselves. We should never deceive ourselves. Nothing is working. Nothing dey work.
All of us dey shout now. 2023, we will go vote. We will go vote. Me and you know who be INEC chairman to speak. Who is INEC chairman? Who will be the INEC chairman?
Hausa.
The INEC chairman is in whose favor? In my favor or your favor? I'm joking.
Imagine a network with a battle with since. Network. What kind of a country is this? We have prayed. We have been praying since 1960. Now we don't pray.
So you see, Oga make a view. Yes, Jonathan couldn't develop the south.
Nothing.
All, but he built new about 13 universities
In the north.
in the north. Several secondary schools. Say Amajiri school.
And people they clap for that. Good luck is a failure. He was never the best. Never. They say my blood does not work, and nobody blood want my. What kind of rubbish is that? See, you know, under Buhari, people don't die.
See, Buhari, no even though we say fight come out, he be one drag oil from Nigeria. He won't do pipe from Nigeria to north. Everywhere.
Now, true. I don't talk. I make it talk. Finish. Poverty and hardship don't block some cities in brain. My brother, God will help also. You know why? Each time I talk, people will say, Apostle, you are too aggressive. Make I tell you the truth. God cannot help us. You know why? God has given us authority and a will. Not until we react, heaven can never act. He not get us one to reach. We go pray from night to tomorrow. God will laugh us. God will look us. It is time for action. Enough.
Imagine South states, they call for a meeting. No minister come for the meeting. The all of them sit down, bored, they look.
But now, those people are supposed to. Oh God.
All of them sit down, they look. Nothing. We're deceiving ourselves. And they look us. Say now with the look not. Say now them, they face more of the terrorism, right? Gradually, they will begin to walk into the south.
They're already in the south.
Gradually, they will take territory. See, go and check all barracks. Who surround barracks?
All Hausa.
Go and check barracks.
All Hausa, I'm gonna go check out. For Benin now, for everywhere now, how much are full everywhere? Future Boko Haram.
Go and check.
Go and check. Future Boko Haram. Go make it. All of them they sleep under the Via Bridge. Future Boko Haram. That's why when crashes break fault, you don't go see anybody home because they destroy things. They go. Time don't reach. May they share this country. May they share this country. Waiting.
Nothing is working.
Well, Sharon, all the past leaders have found corrupt to be hanged. May they kill all of the firing squad. If you know you have held a political office before this country and there's a corrupt case on neck, kill them, collect their property, give them to poor people. See, this country no go better.
Telling me this thing. See, See, I know you don't know what I want to do.
Christian, I also had that problem with this country.
I don't know what you want to do. I don't know what you want to do. See, if you know you are informed, please help us. If you know you are informed, help us start telling your brothers and your sisters. Start helping us to educate them. They are giving us trouble. Time has come for us in this country to unite, to stand for a better Nigeria. We are suffering in this country. The suffering is too much.
No, there's some family, may I tell you, they don't go food do Christmas for information.
As we speak right now,
they can't do Christmas. How? No food, no money, nothing.
And where as we speak, some people don't store rice for the house, they spoil.
So go to their kitchen, yam the roti,
for the kitchen,
tomato the roti. People can feed. Now they don't want to do better. Now they spread dollar, they $20. What kind of, oh God. When people are suffering, why don't you use that dollar to develop your village if you have that kind of money?
What do we have to do to make Nigeria work?
My brother, may I cure the past leaders.
What do we have to do?
All the past corrupt leader from Obasanjo should be hanged. Buhari should be hanged because he has served the country before. Then Babangida should be hanged. Abdulsalami should be hanged. Atiku should be hanged. All the past governors that really stayed before the corrupt on their neck should be hanged. They should be hanged. They are making this country unbearable for people. Where are the useless labor leaders?
No, those ones.
Where are the useless labor leaders?
Rubbish.
Useless set of people.
Rubbish.
They tell me not to talk. Oh God.
Rubbish. Rubbish. Labor that we wear. Labor down their food. Increase everything. Tariff. Everything.
This ancient protest, you don't teach you a lesson. As you don't teach them, you know they craze. Let me show that they read a craze with a psychiatric test. Nothing is working in this country. Nothing is working. Now consider they bet over money. This ancient protest, you meet a notice and say, let me show that they craze. Nigerian leaders know they craze, know they mad.
When I see video when go viral, I think last week he go for loot. Lagos State Teaching Hospital. How they pursue pregnant women just born outside. Women just born. They pursue them, they make all of them, they go outside. The outside they can't stay. Women just born. We just give birth to children. This country they ask for accountability. AGF office bomb.
They put fire.
Me and you don't come and ask questions.
They put fire for CBN. Nigeria leaders, you know they crash. Are you people mad?
Me and you don't come out.
Are you people mad?
We didn't come out to ask questions.
A big who want the country now.
Come out to ask questions.
Let's begin with the country now. Enough is enough. We cannot be suffering and smiling in this country. We cannot be suffering and smiling. My brother, who we kill them? And we go need to kill them. Not be God though. Now we go need to stone them. Mama, God over here this country. God don't wash your hands for this country. I tell you now. God don't wash your hands.
You know how many innocent souls have died? I mean in Nigeria.
You know how many people don't die?
You know how many souls they wander on earth? You know how many souls they wonder? They cost this country. We need to rebet this country.
Day before yesterday, they kill close to 150 rice farmer. Why God not go ahead?
We need to rebet this country.
God has given us authority to change all things, but we have just refused to change.
The government came out and told us that only 48 people died.
Meanwhile, they kill close to 100 something.
The Shekau don't come out now. The Shekau when they don't kill over 100 times, don't come out now. Can't tell us say they killed about 78 people and say they do to give warning to people when they give Nigerian soldier intelligence report. You can imagine that.
Jesus. So the Air Force, they say they don't kill Boko Haram. Boko Haram, they won't tell me say Boko Haram plenty pass in Nigeria citizen. Now every day they tell you they keep Boko Haram. You mean say Boko Haram come plenty pass in Nigeria citizen?
Nigerian Air Force just dislodge Boko Haram.
What a shame on you people! You get a disgrace.
They use one hand until they finish the Nigerian government. That's how they use the other hand until they finish the Nigerian people. You people are the cause of the problem in this country.
Including our big religious leaders. You get us part of the problem. Nothing is working. Fuel this morning is 170 naira. What you na do? All of una sit down, una clap hand. NNC na turn that go finish una. All of una when they carry Ghana must go to the make sure things not work now. Ghana must go to bury una go share. Anybody when they talk that they cost on that you never say anything. As they support corruption, na turn that go finish una go share.
Dirty set of people. wicked people, heartless people. You cannot have the people at heart. The people you are governing, you cannot have them at heart.
A bad president is a bad man. Buhari is a bad man.
One person will get over 50 cars
Full compound
in his house.
Osinbajo, you are a bad man. Osinbajo, you are a bad vice president. You are a bad man. All the Senate, whether you are a Senate leader, whether you are a Senate president, you are a bad Senate president. Whether you are a House of Rep member, you get a bad governors everywhere. You get a bad
One person, 50 cars. How many do you want to drive?
How many?
When I mean cars, I'm not talking about a car of 20 million naira.
How many?
I don't talk about motor of 20 million naira.
55 million naira. So get Rolls Royce for their compound. So get 3. Do you know Melai get how many Rolls Royce?
What's he doing? Even though it's not your own money, what's he doing with it?
What are you doing with it?
When you have hundreds and thousands of people around you dying.
I say we will not talk. I dey come for all of una. We dey come for una. I never say anything.
Nothing is working. You give it a post, just talk now. As he's talking, a ring from my head. As we speak, hundreds and thousands of Nigerians cannot feed this December.
They no go feed.
Cannot feed this December.
So Mama talk say, why did you people?
Why do you go stop the protest?
Now government stop there. I beg you,
without government leaders. So yes, we didn't stop the protest. We didn't stop the protest when I bring them. We didn't stop the protest. What we are doing right now is to bet ideology on the protest. So many people came out without understanding the reason why we need to come out. So what we are doing right now, so as in the year also, help us to spread this message, help us to tell people what you're supposed to tell too. Help us tell people what you're supposed to tell too. You know how many atrocities will happen? So many people do not even understand what's called a protest.
So the government sponsor people. They begin a key.
Me and you saw the video. The video went viral. The man when we wear suits, enter jeep.
Nigerian leaders not the craze. Not the craze. If not the craze, Mona go psychiatric now. When I said now the rest, so as my the red they bring blood. Now so calamity could finish all of now. Go to market, people can't buy anything. People cannot buy anything. People can't buy anything. Nothing. Some people, if kids don't take in, their children don't do Christmas.
Or the hardship don't force parents to open eye. They see your daughter, they do a shower. This hardship.
They encourage them.
The hardship don't force parents. You open your eye, they see your son, they do Yahoo. You open your eyes. You open your eyes because of the hardship. Because of the hardship. The hardship has forced our parents. You don't tie our parents hand for back. Parents when they discipline before. But when the reality of the hardship don't touch your head, you see in daughter, go out, come back, bring 2,000, say your mother is not take cocoa. You won't ask them, you won't ask a question. When you know that there's hunger. Whereas we get these dirty politicians when their children they lavish millions overnight for club.
Millions.
Their children lavish millions overnight for club.
Millions of naira because they never worked for it.
I send the wind of cancer. Because of this pain, I send the wind of cancer to each and every one of them.
Amen.
In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
I send the wind of cancer.
Amen.
I stand on the altar of our own Archbishop Idahosa. I send the wind of cancer in the name of Jesus. What are people telling me?
Can imagine. See my brother. Sian.
Okay.
Sian.
This thing on the came cannot do anything. Cannot do anything. Now this country we spend thousands every day.
See this thing at 200 naira. 200 naira.
It's 200 naira. 200 naira. 200 naira. Is in Nigeria we spend thousands every day. As you dey US, so if you spend $1,000 a day, $1,000 if you spend a day. So as you speak now, your $1,000 in US is about 500,000 naira right here. That is slap to our country. Like it's slap to our country.
Our citizens are also part of the problem. Each time I move from the street, I see people walking and suffering. People do the waka.
Every day, people just dey baff come out for house. They
waka.
just to say they see 500 naira. Every day, people dey baff come out for house to see say they fit find way, they fit see way they will take chop. Then tomorrow is another day. Is that a life?
We dey wicked of ourselves.
I will tell you, 90% of Nigerians have no plan, no goal.
Nothing.
Anyhow it come,
Anyhow it take come.
Leave am. Anyhow it come.
What is they want to plan? Nothing to plan with. Nothing.
Na Nigeria you come out for your house, you no fit say in the next 1 hour they reach where they go like.
It's not possible.
You are joking. You cannot plan. Nothing to plan.
Nothing to plan with. Nothing.
Come draw your plan now. Maybe say you go take work.
Don't scatter up with your hand. You don't fit achieve anything. You can't achieve anything.
And all this they happen. A nation that is celebrating independence of 60 years. A nation that was amalgamated.
60 years of backwardness.
A nation that was amalgamated in 1914 became 100 years in 2014.
Of backwardness.
And we are still hoping on God. You know, go work.
And they tell them, see, those of Funaweti they claim faith, say it is well Nigeria and a lie. I'm an apostle. I'll keep saying the truth. Tell friends to know this boyfriend. It is nowhere with this country. We never pray rich. We don't pray. Since 1960 we have been praying. It will be nowhere. We should start telling ourselves the truth. Make we begin to tell ourselves the truth. It is nowhere. You know where with this country. We tell ourselves the truth. So that our religious leader could take advantage of opportunity to begin to make people, oh yeah, any small thing. Problem is not supposed to be spiritual problem. We will see that spiritual problem because nothing is working. Old men supposed to live large. They can't live large, don't say they be witch. In a developed country, they take care of them.
Begging. It's painful. It's sympathetic.
Our leaders, all their children, they are abroad now. They are enjoying. Now that stupid minister they say nobody should celebrate Christmas. Una dey craze. Una dey craze.
Oh Jesus.
Una dey craze. Say nobody should come out and whoever told that you dey craze. That minister, you are a madman. You are a madman.
Can we, Nigerians, can we, the masses, can we wake up? Can we hold our government accountable?
This is time.
Can we wake up? Can we forget about our religion?
Religion? When religion don't blindfold them?
Can we forget about our doctrines? Can we forget about our color? Can we forget about our ethnicity? Can we wake up to realize that this country is our country? Nigerian leaders are bad people. Nigerian leaders are wicked people.
Too wicked.
They don't mean well for us.
Now some people they excuse me. Some people they compare Nigeria to America, their money. Why you not compare minimum wage? Why the America minimum wage and Nigeria minimum wage? That brother you decrease. That brother when they talk say we are living with this country, you decrease. That brother when they talk say Nigeria, it is where.
During COVID-19 era, when they say COVID-19 day, COVID-19, Boss Mustafa, they go inspect primary health care center. When he come out, they address press. You will see the pain for your body. He say, I was not aware that the Nigerian primary health care center is as dilapidated.
Where in this since?
And I asked,
where in this since?
Where you did since?
In none of this country, they are abroad.
He was not aware.
No, they are aware. That is
they are aware.
Stupid set of people.
You know they are aware. You know they are aware. You know they are aware. You might imagine minimum wage 1,500 euro. How come now? How they take the do one? That be the question with the ask now this evening. Now waiting we need to do to make Nigeria work.
My brother, I don't talk about before. All the corrupt leaders should be hanged. All their properties seized from them. All their property should be seized from them. How somebody like Osomole go rule stay for 8 years, he get 3 private jets. Where did he get the money from? 10 billion naira to build a mansion in his house. Where did he get the money from? Government money that belongs to the people. And we are celebrating them, celebrating thieves. We dey celebrate armed robber for the country.
Time don't come for us to get electoral college. Where we say anybody when they go to that college, no go fit contest for election. Anybody when no go through that college. Why? Because it don't dawn on me. Say these people they not be human being at all.
They are not human being. They are evil people.
They are just weak. As in
evil people.
As they enter the position, they go. I don't know where they go lock their hearts.
See my brother now. See, I said they just paid it now. Can imagine. Can imagine. No coronavirus on Nigeria. I Apostle Alfred is saying it. Nothing like COVID-19 for Nigeria. Nothing. Now scam. Nothing like COVID-19 in Nigeria. Now scam. It's COVID-19 just country. Everybody will not die finish. Scam.
As we dey talk so, families, they beg for 5,000 naira. As we dey talk so, families, they beg to see 5,000. Family, papa, mama, and children, they beg to see 5,000 when they go spend for 2 weeks. When they will manage for 2 weeks. As we speak.
That one too far. I dey do program for school, one of our college. They drive some students out today. They don't feel write exam. No school fees. They couldn't raise money from anywhere. Even me where I sit down the right, I never pay finish. But I don't feel pay half. What about that students? No money. That's why they shake. I don't feel concentrate write exam. That's the truth. I don't fit. Man of God, I tell you, we're outside. I shed tears. See, where there are people wasting money. They couldn't write exam today. I don't feel concentrate. I didn't sit there for outside. I don't feel concentrate. Now I just submit my script. Now I get up. That's what I did. I couldn't concentrate. See my fellow students outside. They couldn't raise money. No money for family. Even church don't raise money to pay school fees.
Waiting, you need to do.
My brother, may they cure the past leader. May they share this country.
They ask this question.
May they share this country. Everybody go your own.
They ask this question. And I know why 2023 don't reach. Those people, they're wicked. They dubious. Waiting, we need to do to make Nigeria work.
That's it. Now our government is spiritual problem. Oh. God bless you, man. God bless you, man. There's not there our problem.
What we need to do to make Nigeria? I know what you at the talk. More than no year. Anyway, when I day for the world, say we don't kill ourselves the chop. Oh. I know what you at the talk. We are hungry. Nigeria is not working.
See, mama.
As I talk to you, so I don't know my health status. Which I won't go for hospital. Hospital call hospital name. You may never think finish. Now I want to go collect one card. How? But by default, country where wahala not too much. I don't supposed to go hospital.
You say government God.
I don't supposed to go hospital. I'm supposed to go hospital. But I dare not. I can't try it. What do we need to do to make Nigeria work? What do we need to do to make Nigeria? We dey talk am now.
Not talk. So papa begin to cook their children and chop.
I want beg una, may I beg Apostle down. I want beg una, may I beg Apostle. Should in case you come my line one day, you no go.
I beg, me your line go.
After like 1 month, I call, use international number, call you. No vessel. I dey tell una now.
No trouble, leave me, I beg you.
I dey beg
Victor, I beg.
I'm tired of the country.
Victor, I beg you. You ain't gonna leave me for only man for this struggle.
I dey tell una. I dey beg Apostle down. If my number don't go.
Now leave me, you want to leave for this struggle. Bros, don't try yourself. Now let me want to leave for this struggle. You don't see the struggle, person the struggle, you don't see the waka sound. God. Some people shall not get work. Hell, some people say I go find work. Give me work, I go do. There is no greater work than the one I'm doing right now. No greater work.
Don't talk on way. I only beg Apostle if I call him. Say Apostle no vessel. Nah, I don't know. I still pass back. They move.
I know no wrong come out. I go beg you. You want to leave me for this struggle?
Apostle.
Now leave me only for this struggle.
I will not lie to you, Apostle. Nigeria is messed up. Nigeria is messed up.
Mama, not true. People go still start to chop their children. I am telling you the truth.
Nigeria, look on my glass. Nigeria is messed up. They are suffering in this country. Nothing is working in this country.
Nothing is working. Nothing. That 170 for liter of fuel na 200 because they don't tie the liter. Are you aware? That 170 they will tie them na 200.
Nothing is working in this country. I never hear they talk. I'm a young boy. I have friends. They call. Hello sir, please can you help us with 1,000 naira? They call. Please sir, can you help us with 500 naira? They call. And you cannot help that girl. You cannot help that boy. If you now see that girl doing prostitution tomorrow, you can't condemn her. But don't forget, say when that girl come, maybe give her 500. You cannot give her 500 naira. When that boy comes, say sir, I've not eaten. You could not give him 200 naira to go and eat. Cannot give him 200 naira to go and eat.
Sir, do you know how many students that left school today?
That boy will go join courtesan. I will come blame him.
You know many people come up for exam hall today? We don't feel write exam in the Baptist College of Theology. No money. They are not lazy. They don't clear. They don't do everything. No money. No help from anywhere. Even me every day struggle. They say I'm a man of God power because I know they. Okay, you still take small. I never pay my school fees finish. Now try to get out the pay. And I tell you that day now. I never pay my own finish. And they transfer money give some students. But they still go out and join their own. Only for me to see the drive to today, my own classmates drive there. I don't feel write exam. Go don't.
So which mentality you want to make those children get? Which mentality? What mentality do you want them to have? What mentality? And this same country, some people carry money. They will keep money inside. Money go start to the common muko. Money go start to the common. Money go spoil. This same country. The same country.
Call this line now. Mona not call the line beg. Don't call this line. Do that line not work? Don't call this line, please. Please, don't call this line.
Nothing is working. Nothing. Come make a carry you go University of Benin. You go see what young people they face inside school. Come make carry you go secondary school. May go see what those children they face inside secondary school. A classroom where only 50 students, you will see over 500 students inside there. Only 50 students supposed to be. You see over 500 students inside there. That's not my problem. My problem right now is, as we are speaking,
what do we do?
People are lavishing wealth in this country.
Wasting money. Some people just waste this money.
As we talk so, some people they open their eye, they go buy swamp. To fill the swamp.
What did house?
Before they start to build their mansion, not house, their mansion on top of the swamp. In a nation where you know that people cannot eat.
People cannot feed. People cannot feed.
You know it.
I don't shout, I don't talk, I don't tire. For a few days now I've been down, but nobody knew. When Victor Ebu see my face, he called me for phone, he say Papa, no where. But I don't tell anybody. I've been on drugs, praying, trusting God for this country. I know the rest, talking, ensuring things work well for my country.
I don't watch all of now. I'll run.
Bros, no don't leave me.
No.
If you come run, leave me. Now let me go carry this load.
I will pray for you.
Now pray. Bros, join me for front. No, many other people they pray.
Nigeria is messed up.
Me when they like drugs, I was forced to take drugs.
Nigeria is messed up. Nigeria is messed up.
I will reach out like this as I go fall. Now I go say money do. Why? Because people load in my neck. I can't bear it. I can't bear it to see people cry. I can't bear it. I can't. I can't. Pain in my heart every day. Pain. It is not well with Nigeria. We should stop deceiving ourselves. All those parts where they do 30 days fire miracle. When I not do the 30 days now. Network. Any power targeting our network, we see fire. So they will allow me to attack the network, it no work. All those 30 days, 30 years prayer program, it don't do. It's time for action. It's time for action. You know, Greek come on a network. I no touch that place, just leave am. Una dey hear us? All those 1 year program, 50-day program they do, don't do. It's time for action. It don't do. All those Shiloh, Holy Ghost Congress, everything, he don't do. He don't now, you know they do anything. He don't do. He don't do. Time for action. Faith without works is dead. Everything faith. Nothing is working. Nothing is working. People just live on mercy. People are all living on mercy. Hey, God, it is not well. Oh, it is well. God no dey fight for the information. God can never come down. Why? Because God has given us this earth already. All those pastors already, God has given us this earth already. He has given us authority to change things, but we have refused to change. Everything is spiritual, everything is devil. Now our government is the real devil. Our government is the real devil, including some religious leaders and some traditional chiefs. They are part of the problem. It is not well with Nigeria. We will not deceive ourselves. It not do well with Nigeria.
Where do we start from?
My brother, I've heard talking before. All the past leaders should be killed, hanged. All the corrupt leaders should be hanged. All their property collected from them. How a old Dangote could control everything? How?
Where do we start from? Where do we start from? How? Who we offend? Where do we start from? I dey try to look, they imagine. Where do we start from?
See people in the morning that they do the find motor. People with the find motor.
They go work. People they go work.
They do motor.
They don't get transport to go reach work.
Revolution. I not tell us I leave house when money in my pocket. I never gist you. Make I gist you. God bless you. Now which are they talk? So people say apostle. God bless you. See, we are too religious in this country. If I were hypocrites, I come up for house. I not join money. I not get money to go school. Now I carry bag. I say I'll go school. My brothers, I begin the trek. Now I come see one woman. She just drive come. Hey, say where they go? Say pastor, they go school. Now this woman carry me to junction. As we dey talk, say mama, I dey go school now. I don't get transport. The man come give me 500 naira. I come manage that 150 to go school. As I reach school, so my classmate never chop in the year, so now that money to go chop. Now that money, the balance 500 naira, 250, 300 I will take chop. Until God comes to save us that day, I trek, reach 5 junction. Yes. But nobody knew. People are suffering. People are suffering. It's time for action. It's time for action. Believing this, it is time for action. All the past leaders should be killed. All their property collected from all of them. In fact, Nigeria needs resetting to rebirth now. So when we talk about rebirth, a lot of things need to go. A lot of things need to go. Wipe them off completely. Well, my people, the body on a court, which you now want, make we do now. Make una go think am. Now, so we'll talk and reach this evening. We'll continue from here tomorrow. I know they pray this evening. I don't talk finish. We'll continue to the talk. Una good night. Victor, I better talk to your people.
All right. I did very devastated and I did short of words. I don't lament small and I try to control my emotions. And why? Because leader at some point, and no matter how painful the issue might be, you must try to always learn to hold back. But my people, where do we go from here? I know what you had the talk. I dey street to my ear, the year, and don almost full. I know what you had the talk. Nigeria needs help now. Nigeria is progressing in error. Nigerians are tired. Nigerians, come out. Time don't reach for our religious leader to change their topic. What we need now is mind reorientation. What we need now is mind emancipation. That's what we need now on our altars. Mona forget waiting and saying that they collect. Mona forget on our prosperity. The person that they preach prosperity to has not eaten.
My brother, talk that again.
The person that they preach prosperity to has not eaten. The person that they preach to has not eaten. I know which are they talk. Everything.
They are preaching prosperity now. You are the person never chop.
I know which are they talk. Please help us as they get this information. So help us tell who you supposed to tell. I beg, help us share this message to who you supposed to share this message. Give. It get why. If you don't know, say that place where you share and go. The message, let's see if it if it look say yes, now true. Time don't reach for us to begin to speak one voice. Time don't reach for us to forget, say, I be north, I be south, I be east, I be west. Time don't reach for us to forget all this. Time don't reach for us to unite. We need to agree on one Nigerian cause, on one Nigerian dream. Time don't reach. Enough of the so-called political rulers deceiving us. 2023, don't reach. Show. I know which are they talk. 2023, don't reach. And everything lies in our hand.
Una do well. God bless all of you now. Freedom is now or never. We move. We move. God bless you now.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Let us know what you think for comment section. What we need to do to make Nigeria work. Go to comment section, make you put your own for there. And before you go, I beg, make you help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the know all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Anytime I upload new video to this my YouTube channel, you go be the first person to see the video. This na the reason why you need to subscribe. Make I leave you with this video now, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching down ARG YouTube.